we just picked up this new Toyota. Seems like Alyssa's already taken a liking to it. Let's go see what she thinks. What do you think?
Got an original carry-on trailer.
Original?
It's the title to the trailer.
You like it? Besides the ECU missing?
This thing is clean, I'm not gonna lie. Everything's in here, all the document. Whoa, look.
Tailgate still works too. SR5. This side's a little beat up. These seats are pretty big too.
Original book. Wait, what's this? 1990 Owner's Guide. This way, man. What the fuck? Original Owner's Guide. Vehicle service. Paperwork's all in here. What's been done to it. He took care of this truck.
Yeah. You gonna keep it?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Like, it's better than the Mazda.
Better than the Mazda?
The turd.
No. Ain't better than the Mazdas.
The turd is the turd.
We'll find out once we fix it.
Honestly, I think it just needs to be, power washed, because a lot of that wiring are connected back. It doesn't look fried.
Needs a little more than that.
I'm just saying, like, a lot of that wiring, I connected some of the pieces.
I like this. That's my favorite part.
It works.